Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create Canva account. Friends, as we know, Canva site is very useful in graphic designing and lot more. So to make free Canva account, you simply need to open canva.com. Here you need to click on sign up. There are many options to sign up in Canva. I will go with continue with email. Here I will give my email address. After entering email address, click on continue. Now here you can give your name. And click on continue. Now Canva has sent a code to our email address. So we simply need to enter that code. Now it is asking whether we are student, large company or non-profit or charitable institution, or we want to use it for personal. So I will select personal. Now here click on skip personalization. Now it is asking to upgrade to Canva Pro and given some of the Canva Pro benefits, but right now I am skipping it and using the Canva free version. So we are signed up in Canva. Here you can see lot of options in Canva and you can see your projects here in projects folder. Like this you can play around, and to create a new design you need to click on create. So from here you can use templates and do designing as per your requirement. So friends, like this you can very easily create free Canva account. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.